Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have three internship opportunities and let's see it one by one. The first internship opportunity is from Thomson Reuters and it is a DNI intern. And the job location is Hyderabad. Now let's see about the role. You should build data pipelines, develop dashboards and perform data analysis, handle billing queue via Salesforce tool, resolve purchase order or invoice copy related queries via Salesforce, compare information between two documents, monitor QA synthesis job and alert the team on failure, check and verify correctness of cases or documents from court website, and you should monitor email and ServiceNow dashboard. You should respond to the server sitter incident, perform health checks on the server, get model information from developer, data entry in the application, tick and tie with the print, and you should carry out manual testing on FindLaw products, help controllers in posting audit JIs in SAP, and you should maintain the document repository. Now, let's see what they are expecting from you. You should have a 0 to 1 year of experience in any field and you should be an intermediate in MS Office skills. And you should have a experience working on team collaboration application like MS Teams and you should be eye to details and you should have a good communication skills, verbal skills and written skills, especially written. Now, let's see the second internship opportunity. The second internship opportunity is from Futures First and the job role is full stack developer intern. Now, let's see the job profile. The responsibilities will include collaborating with the quant and algo team to develop and maintain software infrastructure that supports quantitative research. And you should work on end-to-end software development lifecycle from requirements gathering to implementation and deployment. You should develop and maintain front-end applications, back-end services, and APIs. You should write clean, well-documented, and well-tested code. You should participate in code reviews and provide constructive feedback to team members. You should stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in software development. And now let's see the requirements. The educational qualification required for this role is you should be proficient in Python, JavaScript, or Java. Also, you should have a work experience with front-end frameworks such as AngularJS and React.js, back-end frameworks such as Node.js and Flask or Django, experience with Docker or Kubernetes, understanding of software development practices such as testing, code reviews, and continuous integration. You should have the understanding of databases and experience with SQL, and knowledge of AI and ML will be beneficial. You should have a effective communication skill and ability to work with non-technical stakeholder. Now, let's see about the internship duration. It will be a 6 to 8 month of internship and the internship mode will be offline. Joining date is immediate and the job location is Hyderabad. If you are highly motivated and passionate developer who wants to work in a challenging problem in a quantitative research domain, please apply with your updated resume which contains your GitHub profile. Now, let's see the final internship opportunity. The final internship opportunity is from Pando and it is a QA intern. The job location is Chennai. Let's see the responsibilities. You should identify defects and ensure that software applications meet the company's quality standard, and you should be creating and executing test cases, identifying and documenting defects and working closely with the development team to resolve issues. Timely execution of test cases to ensure that the developed application satisfies the requirement. You should raise the quality issues to ensure minimum defect leakage and track till closure. Review manuals and help files prepared for the software. Now, let's see the requirements for this role. You should have a bachelor's in computer application or related field and knowledge of manual testing concept is preferred. You should attention to detail, ability to follow test plans and scripts and good management skill. You should be a team player with the ability to thrive in a rapidly changing environment, and you should have a good communication skill. We have provided the apply links in the description, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.